To share my experience with not having soaked them and co-washed them. I've never had a problem when I didn't do it before. Typically I will do it, honestly.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake, been stressed for so long.
Hey you guys, welcome to the Not Just Hair by WIJB. I am doing this. It's a long form video, meaning that it's not a short, but it's vertical, right? So a lot has changed. They probably even had it before I went on a little hiatus from vlogging. Oh, let me get my tripod. This is much better, and I always wear gray. I love gray, and I have fur. But again, welcome back to the Not Just Hair by WIJB. I am doing a sit down video. I am sitting. I got my gray sweatsuit on, period. It's the weekend, and I was supposed to do, I think last week, a video about what happened with my locks, because I did this short, which I will include in case you didn't see it. And if you haven't seen it, go check and get some views, get the views up on that. But I had individual faux locks, right, by Bobby Balls. They're nice, and because they were individual, I also had, it's how you put them in. It had to be wrapped. It was a whole process. The thing that bothered me is typically I don't have to ACV my locks or co-wash them. It probably is a good idea. We were rushing, to be honest, and it caused me to get sick. How did you get sick? It's all over, and I'm not going to really I'm just going to tell you my experience, but it's a thing, really, honestly, that Kanekalon hair, braided hair, all the types of hair that we use as extensions for braids, locks, all of that, you can get sick from the hair because of the processing for the hair to be what it is. It's a process, and they put all kinds of stuff on it. Now, don't hold me to it. Do your own research. I'm telling you my experience. So when I had those in for like 2.5 weeks, something like that, I had headaches, and I was checking my blood pressure. I wanted to make sure my blood pressure wasn't elevated. So of course I checked my blood pressure. It was elevated, but the headaches was the thing that made me feel sick. I never get headaches. I'm one of those people. I just never have a headache, right? To me, I feel like when I have a headache, I feel sick. I didn't have any other symptoms besides headache, and that was enough. Headache and my blood pressure going up. And with that, I couldn't wait. I needed to pause this to interject this. I had no idea. It was a process of elimination. I just was doing some research, plus the fact that my headaches and all of that was aligning with when I got the Faux Locs installed. It all occurred to me. It was like, boom, I have to take these things out. My daughter had to help me take them down because it's a lot. It was a whole process. So as soon as they came out, I immediately felt better. That's how strong the scent was. Now for these, we'll talk about that on another video. Not only was it making me sick, the smell of them, the weight of them, they were heavier than these are. And also because they were individuals, they were pulling on my hair. I wound up losing my sides a little bit, my edges, and they will come back because you guys know I use minoxidil. I'm still on my minoxidil journey, so I'm still using that to grow my edges back in. But I wanted to come back to share that. I know people know about it. I'm talking about my experience because I knew oh yeah, they do this, they do that to process the hair. But I just wanted to share my experience with not having soaked them and co-washed them. I've never had a problem when I didn't do it before. Typically I will do it, honestly, and like I said, I did rush with wanting to install them, and that was a hefty price to pay. Don't do what I did. Learn from me. Share, like, subscribe for more. In 2026, I will be vlogging again. It will probably not be in the vertical. I'm not a fan, but it will be horizontal, and I have so much content. It's unreal. I know I said that at the top of last year, but life be life, and as they say, and so I wasn't able to vlog or wanted to vlog because I just wanted to figure out what it is that I wanted to show. And so yeah, you're in for a nice little ride. So definitely comment, like, and subscribe. Like I said before, I thank you for watching, and thank you for my new subscribers. I see you, and I will see you guys in my next short.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake, been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. so